Hey guys.
Sorry, Ladybird. I know you didn't mean to have relations with that dog, but I gotta tie you up anyway, if only to protect your virtue and good name.
But anyway, like I was saying, I know that the severe weather today is a little more widespread. There's only 3 warnings in the entire country. But this one piqued my attention here. This is in Grant County, North Dakota. Around, I'm trying to think of a place. But anyway, this thing is producing softball-sized hail at 60-mile-an-hour winds. This is a public report of it, and people and animals outdoors will be severely injured, especially out windows, extensive damage to roofs, and vehicles. And thank goodness this has over rural areas, but it says this storm is distributing destructive winds and large damaging hail to the size of softballs. Seek shelter inside a sturdy structure and stay away from the windows. Yeah, stay away from windows with that storm. With hail like that hitting your car, it's gonna be like, I'm quoting what Ian Leonard said when that hailstorm hit the Twin Cities last August. It's like a miniature explosion that's really tough to take. That will bust out your windshield, put dents in your car. If you're caught out in that, something like that, that will injure you. Two sons down, too. Great.
What the hell kind of country is this where I can only hate a man if he's quiet?
He will go to that party. He will pretend to like Tom, and he will drink until you actually do.
And all the Tucson stations are down. Transmitters are down right now.
Howdy, Con. Howdy. Here you go. I thought you might enjoy 7.5 gallons of pure premium propane.
Okay, now from this latest warning, it's down to tennis balls. That'll still bust out your windshield, though.
Hey, whatever. Some soldiers like to cheat, some prefer propane.
Let me,
I'll get along just because I happen to sell propane and propane accessories.
Okay, all right. Put the big thing on the table. Keep that if you're going away. Okay. You honor me by giving me gas.
Okay. I want to see if I can get one out of Arizona. Yeah, frequencies. Yavapai County must be right here. That's Gila. This is Maricopa County. Gila County's over here, I think. That's Pima County down here. Santa Cruz, Graham. Yeah, I think this is Pinal County, Maricopa, Gila. Yavapai must be somewhere over here. Let me look up which one is it? Which one's a good one to listen to for that? Let me try WWF 58.
Those burgers look I won't turn them now.
Too soon.
Okay.
Anyway, I'll put the text from that North Dakota warning or that severe weather statement in the description below.